Welcome to Assembly's brand new Discover page. I'm going to show you some of the awesome new features that come with this experience. To start, you'll notice these top-level filters that provide you with quick and easy access to all of your Assembly content, organized in a way that's easy to find and search. You have your files, including all of the attached files across all flows you have visibility into, your tasks that you created and/or are assigned to you, your list of flows, easily accessible, as well as a list of people within your company, and lastly, all of the posts and replies across all of the flows you have visibility into. You can easily navigate around your important section content. You can click into any card to be taken to the flow feed, for example, to see all of the other posts for that flow feed as well. You can also interact with the content. Like for this post where I'm mentioned, I can easily leave a reply by clicking the post, adding my reply, and then coming back to my important section to take a look at all of the other activity I'm involved in. For posts that you don't need to interact with or explore further, you can simply mark them as seen to remove it from your important section. Easily find your flows by going to the Flows filter and searching your flow. As a flow owner, you can easily manage your flows, including running a flow by clicking into the flow and pressing Run Now. In this case, this is an on-demand flow. Once a flow has been triggered, it will show up in all of the participants' important section, prompting them to answer. Click Start Post to answer the flow. Once the flow has been answered, that post will show up at the top of your most relevant feed. You can see the post directly in the Posts filter, where you can also go to create new posts. If you go back to the All section, if you scroll past your important section, you'll also see that post in the most relevant feed, as well as all of the other posts and replies and Assembly content as it gets created. This works very similarly to the My Feed view in our old experience. You can search for anything within your Assembly, like a specific task you know you need to work on. Search the task name, click the task, and manage it directly within your notebook or using the shortcuts within the task card itself. There's a few ways to create a flow, but from the top, click the Flow Template button, select the template that you'd like to use, and just like that, your flow is created. You'll see this flow show up in the Flows section as soon as you've created it. To manage it, click the flow, and from there, you can change the flow in the editor or view the insights once the flow has some data. Lastly, you can view your Assembly content in a few different ways. Most recent are the pages in Assembly you visited most recently. Most viewed are the pages in Assembly you visit the most. And most relevant functions the most closely to your feed, which is a chronological order of all of the things that get created in Assembly, from flows to tasks to posts to replies, you name it. We hope you enjoy the new Assembly Discovery experience. Let us know what you think.